Page 80, letter T. Read the sentences and circle all the words that begin with T. Alright everyone, today we'll learn about letter T. T says T, T, T. T says T, T, T. Alright, let's read it one more time. T says T, T, T. T says T, T, T. Great job! Now let's go to our reading. Terry had 2 missing teeth on Tuesday. The tooth fairy gave him a toy tiger and a teddy bear. All right, everyone, let's find all the words that begin with T, 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 Terry, T, T, 2. Next one, T, T, teeth. Tuesday, t, t, the, t, t, tooth, t, t, toy, t, t, tiger, t, t, teddy. All right, now let's go to the question. How many did you find? Remember, we will start counting all together. So repeat after me, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Let's write 9 in the circle. Are you all done? Good job. Now let's go to our picture. What is the boy's name? Yes, his name is Terry. Terry. And something happened. Yes, his tooth fell out. Tooth. And if we have 2, it is teeth. So we have 2 teeth. Teeth. And what does he have? Yes, he has a toy tiger. Toy. Tiger. And what does the fairy have? Yes, a teddy bear. Great job. Let's go to the next page. Page 81. Circle or color the pictures that begin with T. All right, everyone, remember to get a pencil or a color pencil ready. Please repeat after me. Let's read aloud. Socks. Table. Next one. Ring, ring. Telephone. Good job. This one has many colors. Rainbow. And next one, this is very, very slow. Turtle. Next one, remember, 1 is not teeth, it is a tooth. Tooth. Next one is an umbrella. Next one is a scary animal. Yes, it is a tiger. Great job. Now, let's circle all the words that begin with T. All right, let's read aloud. Table. Telephone. Turtle. Tooth. Tiger. Fantastic. All right, everyone, let's go to the next page. Page 83. No, I'm sorry. Page 82. Practice writing the letter T. All right, what is this red thing? Yes, it says ring, ring. This is a telephone. What animal do you see? Yes, this is a tiger. Great job. Now, please get a pencil or a color pencil ready. Let's read aloud and repeat after me. T, 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 T. Okay, one more time. T, 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 T. Last one. T, 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 T. Great job! Now, if you couldn't finish it, please finish it as homework. Splendid! Let's go to the next page. Page 83. Color all the tea tomatoes. All right, everyone, please get a color pencil ready. And remember to read aloud while coloring. T, 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 T,